guys! Good morning. It's already 9 a.m. So today is September 23. We're going to Boracay tomorrow. That's why I'm vlogging. Yala, I just want to document. It's gonna be my first ever trip talaga. Kasi dapat suppose last year pa, kaso maraming nangyari and what. So yes, I'm so happy kasi it will push through na. And I'm with my parents. So yes, I'm just trying fits actually for the trip. Actually, mamaya pupunta na kami ng Manila and everything. Kasi doon din yung doon din yung sa Naiya kami airport, we call that. Yun. Tapos kasi puntahan pa namin sila mama before kasi kasama namin sila. So yes. I'm just so excited. So today I have plans naman. Kaso I need to go to work pa kasi mag-aayos pa ako sa work and everything. Yun. So, yeah, that's it muna as of now. Wala pa namang ibang plans or what. Yeah, I will vlog this whole Boracay trip kasi I really want to document it for me and for my family. So, yes. Lang kami kasi we're gonna look for food. Medyo late na kami nagising. Around 9 na. Feeling ko kasi pagod. So, yeah. Dito ako nag-vlog kasi naiyak ako eh. But yun, so medyo madilim na sa part na to. And naghahanap lang kami ng food. So, our plan to tomorrow is early morning is doon na lang tayo. Is mag-swim agad. I really wanna tan, guys. Like, gusto ko mag-tan kahit pa paano. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang. So, yes. Hey guys, good morning. It's September 25. And there is no lift for today's beach kasi may bagyo daw napapasok. Ma'am. Hey guys, so for this day, nanood lang ako ng vlog kasi may bagyo.
Yan.
200. Pantalan.
Wow, so pretty. Hey guys, so my family, ayaw nilang kumain kasi daw tapa. And I was really craving for tapa. So, andito ako sa Tapa King na meron naman sa Pampanga. But I really wanted to eat. So yes, I'm alone. This is what I wanted for like this whole trip, to eat alone and experience food. So yes, I'm just gonna eat and this is my view for a while.